Hello, Dr. Latisha here, also known as Oil Fitness Lady, and I'm going to take you through how to become a member of Young Living, purchase products, being able to go to my site. So, to purchase products from my site, we'll go ahead and put in my site address, myYL.com. That should live your best life. myYL.com/live your best life. Sometimes can be not a little confusing, but not as intuitive as it needs to be to go ahead and order. You'll probably have to bear with me. Might be a little bit slow. Okay, we're going to go ahead and accept the cookies there. If you know you're at the right spot, if you see Live Your Best Life and my little smiley face right there. We're going to scroll down the page and you'll see the enroll with me right here. Keep scrolling down. You'll have enroll today, then you'll have my products. If you're just on here looking at some of the popular products that I use, as well as what I give to what I like to refer people to use. So you'll see products there. You'll see some of the popular essential oil blends. You can scroll through and see. I definitely like to use that. Pan away, peace and calming, awesome. Stress away for sure. So you'll be able to see some of the offerings there. Go down to more, you'll see popular starter kits. So if you have stated your interest in doing the premium starter kit, that's the starter kits that come with 11 different oils, or there's actually an option for the Ningxia starting kit, which is a little bit different too, as well as the thieves for cleaning supplies. So you'll see the different type of starter kits here and how to enroll. A lot of times this is the one here, the premium starter kit with Dewdrop. So you can click enroll to buy. This will take you to where you can set up your account as well. So this, when set up in buying the starter kit, allows you to have immediate access to that 24% off products, and then you'll have it at the wholesale price and not the retail. So as this loading, and once you get to this process here, it's pretty much straightforward as my computer is thinking about it. Okay, so we have here, choose your membership. This, as a member, you enjoy the 24% off the retail price of your favorite products. That's where the biggest savings are. Retail customer, yes, you can go ahead and buy products, and that'll be at the retail price. So do not get access to the benefits there, and you don't have to purchase any type of starter kit just to become a retail customer. But this is where the biggest bang comes right here. So that means you can get, you can participate if you want to do it at the business. You can also participate in the compensation plan, and participate in essential rewards. Essentially, we can talk a little bit more about that later. So you'll see here who introduced you to Young Living. That's my sponsorship ID, that there. And sponsorship and enroll are going to be the same. So we have a check that we want to become a member. So we're going to click continue. And then you'll just like say, welcome to Young Living. Your sponsor and enroller is Holy Lifestyles Rehab and Wellness, Live Your Best Life, which is myself. Anybody won't have to check any of that. You're going to press continue. All right, now we scroll down here some more. It'll say choose your starter kit. You have the premium starter kits, which come with the 11 different oils and blends, the 2 Ningxia Red samples, and the sample of Thieves Cleaner, and a diffuser, which is pretty awesome. So it'll show you popular. Based on what we decided, you can choose what type of diffuser you want. So that's an upgrade for the ultrasonic diffuser. So you can do desert mist, you can do the dewdrop. Right now selected is the kit and dewdrop. And you're seeing that 144 for the kit because currently the kits are on sale for 10% off. So if you see this after that, then you'll see the 160 for the kit total. That's premium kit with 11 naira. There's other kits as well. If you're going to have makeup, they have the Thieves. They have the Ningxia kit. The kit with the Rainstone diffuser is also a little bit different there. We're going to scroll back up. There is the basic kit. You also have the option of doing that as well. The basic kit has the Stress Away, the Ningxia Red samples. Also, the Thieves does not come with the diffuser. So if you really just kind of want to get your feet wet and get a basic starter kit, it does not come with the diffuser or oils, and then you can still reap the benefits of the 24% off. So most popular one is going to be here with the dewdrop. I have desert mist, and a lot of people do the dewdrop diffuser. So now that that's selected, we'll scroll down. It tells you everything that's included, which is pretty awesome. You'll be able to also be getting some training and resources from myself on how to use some oils and some various uses for them. Step 2, this is optional. This is the essential rewards. If you would like to set up a monthly order, so if you know there's going to be some popular oils that you're going to use on hand, like I normally get like lavender and peppermint and a couple of the other blends that I know that I'm using consistently, it's easy to go ahead and sign up for the essential rewards because you get the option to earn free products, discounted shipping. There's going to be some kits that you'll be able to get products on, and then it's real convenient so you don't have to think about running out of your favorite oils. So you set up your essential rewards. A lot of people will do the customize your kit. So basically you can click on here and you can add the individual products that you want to be included. Or sometimes people who really like Ningxia Red, they know they're going to take the Ningxia Red and utilize that every month. So they do have these two set up already. I do the customize my monthly order, and the benefit of this also is not only are you being able to get access to getting free product, is that you can customize your order every month. So it doesn't have to be the same thing. So this actually gives you the opportunity to check out a lot of different products and different oils and different blends and see how you like them as well. So that is an option, the essential rewards. So we go down here, confirm your monthly order. If you would like to, then you're going to add your essential reward kit to your membership order. If you wanted to add any more products, something you've really been looking for, where you've been introduced to, you can add that. If you don't want to do anything there, you can add your products, or you go to next. And this is just saying you're going to proceed without the auto ship, without the essential rewards, if you didn't add anything there. Benefits, as you can see here, you can cancel or change your order anytime, earn free products, and you have a scheduled delivery time. You do get an email saying, hey, your order is getting ready to be processed. If you want to jump in there, change what's being delivered, you can do that as well, because I've done that. We do continue enrollment. Okay, and this is when you go in and add all your membership information. Rest after this filming is pretty self-explanatory. Another note in this section, in the commission processing, if you're choosing or you're thinking at some point you may want to use this as a to build your own Young Living business and share with others, then that's right here where you could do individual with social security number. If you're already established as a business, click there, and you can change any of this at any time. So want to enjoy the products, no big deal, don't want to do the business, you would just enroll for the individual, no social security number is required there. That social security number will be required for individual now, because obviously as you earn commission and building your business, if you're doing that component, then you have to, the government's got to be involved in that money. Terms and condition, knowledge, agree and continue. I'm not going to click on that because I haven't filled out any of this information, or I've already done this before. So once you do member info, shipping and payment, and then checkout is the next. So that's how you enroll in a premium starter kit or basic starter kit, with the option for essential rewards with yours truly. If you don't see any of the options, or the products that you were looking for, you may be introduced to, you can always go back up to the top screen and to the products section and do a search for the products. All right, that's it. Until next time.